Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how to make cover buttons without a machine. That is, buttons you can cover with fabrics. These buttons can be used for different purposes. You can use it to adorn your dresses. You can use it to make upholstery chairs. You can use it to make a lot of DIY projects. If you'd like to know how I did this, please don't go anywhere. Keep watching. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and feel free to share this video with your family and friends. So this is the kind of button I'm going to be using for this cover button. Alright, it has a hook at the back and then it has a flat surface on the other side. So to begin, I'm going to fold my fabric this way. Then I'll fold it again. I'm going to hold it down with my pin. The width of my button is 1 inch. So from this point, I'm going to measure 1 inch on the fabric. I'm going to take it round this way. So once I'm done measuring, I'm going to cut it out. And this is what we have, a circle. So if you place a button in the middle, you're going to see some excess fabric around the button. This will help to cover the back of the button. All right, so I'm going to get a thread and secure it at the end. I'm going to start making some loose stitches. I'm not going to start at the extreme. All right, I'm going to come in a little bit. I'm going to make those loose stitches rounded. All right, so this is the point you started from. So once you get to the point where we started from, make sure you sew past it. Like, make sure you cross that line just a little bit. So I'm going to place a button right in the middle and I'll drag the thread to cover the button. So when you turn it to the other side and you look at the edges, it's not looking sharp, like it's not looking very smooth at the edge, just like this one. All right, but don't worry, we're going to get it fixed. So I'm going to pull it in from the edges and I'll sew on the back, just like what you see me doing here. This step is very, very important if you want to have it nice and flat. While sewing, I try to flatten the fabric at the back. So once you're done, you need to secure your thread at the end. So we're done. If you look at this, you see that we really don't have excess fabric at the back and we don't have a lot of rough edges. But then to make sure this stays in place, because this is actually a frame fabric, I'm going to use my lighter to take care of all the fraying edges. Once this is done, your fabric is going to stay like this. It won't frail, it won't move. Alright guys, so this is what the back looks like, so neat, and then this is what the front looks like. Let me quickly place this on my dress so you see what it looks like. Alright, this is one boo-boo gown that I made and I just want to show you guys what it looks like on a dress. This one is actually more durable than the ones you use machines to cover, because most times those ones tend to pull out from the back. All right, I've had a lot of experiences with that, so I feel if you want the one that will last for a very long time for you, this one will do the job. All right, that will be all about it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Feel free to let me know the videos you'd like to see here on this channel. Until next time, guys, keep being fabulous, keep being amazing, keep creating new designs. I hope to catch you when I come back here again. Bye.